make sure it's of any use for you. So it gives you a really good overview. Do you want to learn how to manage your Zoho One application? Well, in these tutorials, we're going to show you exactly how you can do that and the most important ways to go about managing it. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how you can go about using the reporting features in the Zoho One application. So let's log in and get started. All right, now that we're logged in, let's head over to our settings tab over here. This is going to take us back to our main page, but we're going to go to the report section. So this report section has a ton of reports that we can actually look at and pull, and it does allow us to have a pretty granular detail of what we actually want to look at. So we have the main headings of users, login, applications, and multi-factor authentication. So for each of those headings, we can pull different reports. So we can pull recently added users, recently deactivated users, recently deleted users, users without a mailbox, and then we can look at the login side of things. So successful logins, failed logins, most signed in users, most signed in locations. Then we have applications. So sign in activity, most application by login by user, most application login by apps. Then we have a multi-factor authentication. So the MFA configured status and the MFA mode usage. So most likely the logins are going to be the most important report for you, potentially even the applications. So we'd want to look at successful logins. So you can see that we had all these logins. You can see the location, the IP address that you're coming from. If you go back over here, you can see failed sign-ins, there were none. What about most signed in users? Well, that would be me. I've signed in the most lately. So if we go back, we see that these most signed in locations as well. So this is actual locations that you are physically located based on your IP address. And then we do also have sign-in activity for the applications themselves. So you can see really good detail about who is doing what and when. And then you do have the ability to look at recently added users and a whole bunch of other reports as well. So make sure you go through this, check it out, look and see if it works for you. Over here in the top right, we also have this quick actions button, which allows us to quickly add a user, group, assign group, and reset password, reset MFA, and disable MFA. So there is all of these options in the Zoho One management application. It is really cool. I highly recommend you checking it out. And that's it for this tutorial. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel down below, like and comment on this video. That really helps us reach more people like you who need to see these kinds of videos, this content. And as always, make sure you join our Facebook and Instagram pages. We're building an awesome community and we can't wait to have you there. Bye for now.